Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then select power off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode, which is proved by this big sign Fastboot mode. So if you want to quit Fastboot mode, just hold down power key for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.